Hey there, welcome to Design Guy. I'll show you the easiest way to get logged in and start chatting. To log into Telegram on iPad, we first need to install the Telegram app from the App Store. We also need to check that the Installed Apps option is enabled in Settings. So to proceed, we'll go to Settings and then select the Screen Time option from there. Now, in Screen Time, we'll find the Content and Privacy Restrictions option to proceed further. Next is the App Store, Media, and Web Purchases section. Now we'll access Store Purchases, where you can find re-downloads and also see which apps are currently installing on your iPad right now too. Here, installing apps should be allowed for us to proceed. Now we will proceed to open Telegram application next. Now we'll open Telegram and enter our phone number to log in. After login, a verification code will be sent to our registered email address for security. If Telegram is logged in on another device, a code will be sent there, which we'll then need to fill in here. So now that we've completed the login process, and we can see that our Telegram has been successfully logged in, everything should be ready to use. Logged into Telegram on iPad! Check the description for a premium offer, and subscribe for more!